Hi, good day. This video is to show you one of the software that you can use to make some video and to make the diction and upload to your channel. There's a lot of YouTubers that are making this work to make the videos, to make the diction, to make some change, put some text, some call to action, and to make some advertising to upload to the social media accounts to get some followers. I'm going to show you how you can make these videos. For example, we have a lot of free video, short video, about 30 seconds, 20 seconds. Here you have one channel that is all travel. You can find some video, make the change, the call to action and everything. For example, is we want to use this. This is like the video looks like, and here you can put the text and the call to action. For example, for the dream trips for World Ventures company, that is a travel company, you can use this sign, call to action, put some text in your edition. Here you can make some edition of your text. For example, you can put the can put this sign out to the dream trips. Here you can change the colors. The background. Okay, we're going to change this text too. That's it. You can check your video. You can continue putting some letters, some music, some graphic like this. Some music. going to use this. The software is to load the music. Here you can make all the changes that you want. Use one watermark. You can put one more video here this side. You can continue editing and making your video if you want in 2 minutes, 3 minutes. You see? Here you can upload the video or the image that you want to use. For example, this one. It's 26 seconds. We want to add it to that project. And that's it. When you have your project already, you only have to press publish. You can download the video, you can publish to Facebook, to YouTube, to Twitter, to Vimeo, Dropbox, Google Drive, everywhere you can do. For example, we're going to upload to this place.